How to see send friend request on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see all the friend requests you have sent on Facebook. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the friends icon, which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the friend section, here you'll see suggestion and the friend request from others. So here, just beside the friend request, you simply have to tap on see all option. And now here, on the next page, you simply have to tap on the three dot icon, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, simply tap on the option labeled View Sent Request. And here, you'll see full list of all friend requests that you have sent but haven't been accepted yet. And here, if you want to cancel it, then you can simply tap on cancel request to any name to remove that friend request. And that's it. That's how you can check your send friend request on Facebook. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.